Lose weight naturally without dieting. No gym, no medicines. Hi today. We'll talk about a scientifically proven method through which you can start losing weight in just 7 days, without starving, without going to the gym, and without expensive medications. If you're a working lady, a homemaker, or struggling with hormonal imbalance, PCOS, thyroid issues, or stress-related weight gain, then this video and this method could be a life changer for you. This entire method is evidence-based, meaning every step has a scientific explanation. The best part is, you can follow it all from the comfort of your home. So, let's begin a complete and effective 7-day weight loss journey that includes diet, hydration, hormonal balance, detoxification, and emotional resetting. Day 1. Understanding your body and resetting your metabolism. If yours is slow, you won't lose weight even by eating less. So we begin with a metabolic reset. Protein helps burn fat and reduces cravings. Everyone's metabolism is different. It's the speed at which your body burns energy, detoxes the liver, jumpstarts metabolism, and deeply cleanses the body. Right after waking up, drink a glass of warm water with half a lemon and 1 TSP honey. For breakfast, take a high-protein meal, like 2 boiled eggs with 1 slice of multigrain bread, or a bowl of oats with nuts. Remove all unhealthy items from your kitchen: chips, biscuits, processed snacks, and mentally commit to 7 days of healing your body. Day 2. Detoxification through hydration. Water is the most underrated fat burner. Drinking 2 to 3 liters daily helps the kidneys flush out toxins, improves skin, speeds up digestion, and breaks down fat cells. Start a water discipline. 1 glass of warm water after waking up, 1 glass before each meal, 1 glass after each snack, 1 glass before bed. Make detox water with cucumber slices. Mint and lemon in 1 liter of water and sip throughout the day. Day 3. Hormonal reset. The key to female fat loss. Sometimes weight won't budge due to hormonal imbalance, especially estrogen, progesterone, insulin, thyroid, and cortisol. Start eating hormone-balancing foods. Flax seeds for estrogen. A healthy gut equals fast fat loss. Walnuts and almonds for healthy fats. Ashwagandha to reduce cortisol. Green leafy vegetables for iron and magnesium also. Get 15 minutes of sunlight daily for vitamin D, and ensure 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, because sleep deprivation leads to weight gain. Day 4. Gut health and digestion. Weight loss begins in the gut. Take fenugreek seeds with lukewarm water on an empty stomach. At night, mix 1 TSP triphala powder in warm water. Eat curd yogurt for probiotics and drink ginger or fennel tea to boost digestion. Day 5. Low-carb meal plan and portion control. Today's challenge is to observe and reduce refined carbs like bread, rice, potatoes, and noodles, all of which lead to weight gain. Try this low-carb meal plan. When you visualize yourself as beautiful, strong, and in control, your hormones respond accordingly. Breakfast: boiled egg plus green tea. Lunch: 1 roti plus cooked vegetables plus yogurt. Dinner: grilled veggies or light soup. Snack: 5 almonds plus a cup of cinnamon tea. Always include salad in meals. Fiber aids digestion and keeps you full. Day 6. Mindset and emotional reset. Fat loss is not just physical, it's a mental game. Stress and negative emotions raise cortisol, which increases belly fat. Start saying affirmations like, "My body is healing. I am becoming better every day. My metabolism is active." Practice deep breathing and write 5 minutes of gratitude daily for your amazing body. Your body listens only when you treat it with love. Day 7. Active day plus future planning. Today, take a 20-minute brisk walk or stretch at home. Make a commitment to yourself. No more unhealthy snacks. Maintain water discipline. Eat something healthy every 3 hours. Stay grateful every day. Weight loss is not just about numbers, it's a mindset. If you liked this video, please share it and subscribe to my channel, where you'll find more health videos. Stay healthy, stay beautiful. Love yourself always.